Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. A quote from one of my favorite billionaires. When it comes to earning online income, that quote captures why so many fail to achieve passive income. If you're curious about who said this, and more importantly, how you can copy what they did so that you can build your own business empire, then tap the like button and let's get into it. And by the way, thank you for hitting the like button. It means a lot and I really do appreciate it. You're about to learn about billionaires and potentially start that journey for yourself. But if you want to avoid the biggest risks in online business, stick around till the end of the video because I'll share with you what most people get wrong and what you can do instead. When you think of a billionaire, what do you think? The popular image is a high-risk tech founder, like Elon Musk from Tesla and SpaceX. But I wanted to share with you a different approach so that you could learn from someone who turns savvy decisions into an empire worth hundreds of billions of dollars. We're unraveling this mystery, focusing on the example of one of the greatest investors of our time, Warren Buffett. Here at Buying Online Businesses, we're all about the smart way to creating passive income, much like Buffett's approach. So let's discover how acquisitions, aka buying businesses, is key to building your empire. You see, Buffett's route to riches was different than Elon Musk's. Buffett chooses to buy and grow existing businesses, a strategy we stand firmly behind. What about founders like Elon Musk? For all intents and purposes, forget them. We say buy, don't build. You see, a lot of people think about online business, making passive income online, and automatically think they have to start an online business from scratch. But that is really hard and risky. And that's not what Buffett does. He didn't really start anything. Buffett didn't invest in unknowns. He looked for businesses with a solid history, something you can't find in a startup or in a business that you start from scratch. This mirrors our strategy, opting for online businesses with clear, understandable earning models. It saves time and sidesteps the uncertainties of starting something new. Think about your time. The buying approach is time efficient. You're stepping into an established business, not building one from the ground up. In our journey at Buying Online Businesses, we've seen firsthand how this approach makes a difference. It's about leveraging success, not reinventing the wheel. You can focus on finding a business that already is profitable, already valuable, and then grow that business. And then you're in a position to keep growing it and buying other businesses. But I'll share with you what to focus on next. You're about to hear what to focus on when buying an online business in a second. But I want to ask you, what do you think would be the hardest part about starting an online business? What would be the hardest part about buying an online business? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's talk risk. There's this idea that you get to billions by taking on loads of risk. Some people think start a business, high risk, high reward, or buy a business that has lots of risk and that means there will be a high reward. That won't lead to woohoo, but it could lead to boohoo. It's not the full story. It's not about taking more risk. It's about taking on as little risk as possible. Why? First, what is risk? Risk in investment refers to the potential for loss or an undesirable outcome. You gotta understand that so you can make smart decisions, like when considering buying a business. You know what happens when you reduce risk? Find less risky online businesses to buy? You let opportunity and growth have a chance. Buffett once said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So he reduced risk by understanding his investments inside out, a principle key to our strategy at Buying Online Businesses. One way you can reduce your risks is by choosing a simple business model within your circle of competence. We've helped tons of people buy their first online business over and over and over and over. And you can tap into that by educating yourself with our videos, our membership, and our framework, but that's later. Buffett invested in businesses he understood deeply, significantly reducing the risk of uninformed buying decisions. We encourage this by doing lots of due diligence in the same business model across many businesses, developing a keen sense for risk and valuation. It's important that you educate yourself and get lots of practice doing due diligence on lots of online businesses. But what type of online business should you look for? Where should you focus your due diligence efforts? We help with that. When we help buyers, we ask them questions about their competence so that they choose the right business for them according to their buying criteria. Those criteria will include your financial goals and your lifestyle goals. To cut out the complexity of due diligence, get our Due Diligence Framework that we have used to help us and our clients make millions and save millions of dollars when buying online businesses. This framework takes the guesswork out of buying a business. Check it out in the description below. Due diligence is non-negotiable. Buffett spent ages analyzing potential acquisitions, such as Geico Insurance, Dairy Queen, yum yum. In the online world, when we're doing due diligence on a site, we explore what drives the business. from traffic sources to revenue streams, the content, the audience, the brand, etc., etc. Buffett's all about reducing risk by understanding his investments inside out. This approach aligns perfectly with our philosophy. Thorough due diligence is key. We're not just buying any business, we're looking for the right fit for you, the one that aligns with your goals and expertise. Patience is another Buffett trait. Building an empire of businesses doesn't happen overnight. If you don't have patience, then you will settle for the first business you look at, which is a terrible idea. We help you be patient by pointing out risks that you don't see, by giving you a repeatable process so that you know you're not wandering in the dark. Understanding your investment, being patient, and conducting thorough due diligence are keys to unlocking a smart investment. This is our takeaway from Buffett's playbook. Buffett's words inspire us. Quote, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." End quote. That's what investing in online businesses is all about. Planting your trees for future shade so that you invest your money in a low-risk online business. So that a year from now, you can have passive income coming in every month. Continual learning through patient due diligence is how you avoid buying a risky business. So what can we learn from a billionaire like Buffett? Buy, don't start. Understand your investment. Be patient. Do your homework. At Buying Online Businesses, we mirror Buffett's approach and our ethos. We guide you through the journey of buying online businesses, helping you to make informed decisions and start acquiring your business empire. Hey YouTube watcher, what's up? It's William Griffin, and if you have watched this video up until now, please smack that like button. I'm glad you're liking the video. Also, thank you so much for watching, and I hope your day is going smashingly. I also want to ask you, please consider subscribing, because my commitment and exploration on YouTube is about to explode. Stories, polls, more amazing content, and more engagement, more surprise and delight. This is the time to subscribe. I hope you consider it, and I hope I see you on the next video.